Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be telling you whether you should repair your device by yourself or if it's more convenient to take it to a repair shop. So let's get started. I personally think that anyone can do a repair as long as they know what they're doing and they have the correct equipment. By correct equipment I mean proper screwdrivers, actual tools meant for repairing devices, good lighting, the replacement part or whatever they want to fix, and as well as a good tutorial guiding them throughout the process. Repairing devices can become very frustrating if you don't know what you're doing. I've only done a couple of repairs myself, and although they've been difficult, they've been successful. And my advice is, if you don't know what you're doing, you could end up breaking your device even more, and depending on the device, it could become quite expensive to replace it. And if you don't have the correct equipment, it makes it even more frustrating, and I would strongly recommend to not do the repair, or at least buy the tools first. And also, before buying replacement parts, try to find a tutorial on how to do the repair. A good place to find tutorials is ifixit.com. Once you're ready, then do the repair, but preferably first see what other local repair shops are offering for that repair, because £20 or dollars is not going to make a big of a difference. However, £900 or dollars for a new phone will. So if you want to do a repair, please follow my advice, and if you sometimes maybe shake your hands a bit when you feel anxious, then I advise that you don't do a repair, because some screws, especially in smartphones, they can be up to 2mm to 3mm diameter, and that's quite small, and if you lose them, well, good luck finding them. However, if after what I have said you have decided to go to a repair shop, then I would recommend going somewhere with good parts. Let's say that you've broke your smartphone screen. Well, that's sad, so I'm sad if that's happened to you, but if it's an iPhone, then sure, you could go to Apple, and it's going to be quite expensive, but you will get a new display with all of the features like True Tone, and it will make your phone seem absolutely new. However, for much cheaper, you could go to an Apple authorized seller or service provider. These give you the exact same service, they are certified by Apple, and your phone will not show that the replacement part is a third party part, because it isn't. So you would save some money, and the quality is always the same. If you decide to not go to an Apple authorized service provider or seller, then please make sure that their repairs are trusted, that they do a good job, use good quality parts, and if they offer some warranty, because the last thing that you want is going to a repair store a few months after getting your iPhone screen replaced, and them saying that you're going to need to change the whole phone. So, in conclusion, that's our video for today. If you are going to do a repair, then good luck. And if you're going to take your phone to a repair store, then I give you the best of luck as well. And if you like videos like these, then comment down below and consider liking and subscribing to support the channel. Bye!